Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. For my field placement, I interned at a home health agency with the hospital network in my area, which is the Lehigh Valley. At the agency, we would do home visits and help the clients maintain or reach a level of independence to help them remain healthy in their home. So, my experience with working with families, I was a social worker for a long term care facility where we would work with the residents, but also their family members as well, helping them with the fact that their loved one was placed in a long term care facility. I also worked at a home health care agency for pediatrics where I worked with families who have children with very severe medical illnesses and needed nursing care in their home. My own personal family, I am the youngest of four children. I was raised by my mom and my dad. I have two older sisters and an older brother. My oldest sister and I are 12 years apart, and then my second oldest sister and I are 10 years apart, and then my brother and I are 19 months apart. So I always joke that we each had a buddy growing up. My role in my family, I have found that a lot of the times I am the mediator or maybe the peacekeeper. I don't like any rifts or any family drama, so I'm always the one that tries to smooth things out if there is ever some sort of conflict going on in the family. And I think me being a mediator is in my personality and also something that might allow me to be a good social worker, being able to, guide my clients and helping them find resolve and whatever problem that they might be facing. A burning question that I have in terms of working with families is, how can we as social workers work with families, but also at the same time not lose sight of each individual family member. I feel like it's important to recognize that, a person is their own person within that large family or that family dynamic. So my question is just how to be able to work with the family as a group, but also not lose sight of that individual. So I hope you all enjoyed my video. I am eager to start class and to learn more from you all. Thank you.